Welcome to the future of wellness with the Qi Coil Max Scalar system, a revolutionary device that merges ancient energy principles with cutting-edge technology to elevate your mind, body, and spirit. At the heart of this system is the Qi Coil Max, engineered to emit scalar wave energy that penetrates deep into your biofield, promoting holistic health and vitality. Key features include scalar wave energy, utilizes phase-conjugated waves to harmonize your body's energy field. Pulsed electromagnetic field, PEMF, therapy, delivers low-frequency electromagnetic fields to stimulate cellular repair and regeneration. Rife frequency technology incorporates specific frequencies aimed at targeting various health concerns. Quantum sound therapy employs sound frequencies to balance the mind and body. Crystal resonant therapy, EMF protection. Using the Qi Coil Max is simple. Connect the device to the resonant power kit using the provided cables. Power on the system and select your desired frequency program from the resonant console. Position the coil near your body to begin experiencing the therapeutic effects. Regular use of the Qi Coil Max Scalar system may offer enhanced energy levels and vitality, improved mental clarity and focus, reduced stress and anxiety, better sleep quality, support for the body's natural healing processes. Experience the transformative power of frequency therapy with the Qi Coil Max Scalar system. For more information and to explore our range of wellness programs, visit qicoil.com.